Okay, so I've got this thing going. Just this alone is pulling like 1400 watts, right? Coming in. It's actually connected to this Midnite Solar. And oh, she's dropping down in wattage. The sun's coming in. Okay, we're ramping back up now. We're at 1300 watts. Pulling 26 amps. 13500 watts. 13400. Oh man, this bad boy's doing it. 28.58 amps through the PV line right now. She's slowing back down. Had her up to 29 amps at one point. This is a 30 amp breaker. I was waiting for it to trip, but it never quite got there. It seems like this unit limits at 1400 watts, which keeps everything like just under specs. I kind of love it actually. Holy cow, Midnite. Gotta say, I am a little bit on the impressed side right now. Thank you very much. Canadian solar panels. I got 4 390 watters. We're going in 2 series, 2 parallel configuration. Yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome.